This video will guide you through step by step on how to delete item from cart on Temu. So if you want to do that, you log on to your Temu mobile application. So now once you log on to your mobile application, you now click at this point where we have carts. As you can see, I have just one item there. So now once you click on that, you will now see the item that I have here is a new wireless soundbar. Look at the item, and it's 61,000 naira. So right now, for you to delete this item from your shipping cart, you now come to this point, this delete icon, and you now click on it. So now once you click on it, you see successfully removed. So this is how to delete item from your shipping cart on Temu. If this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you.